Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is all about exploring how physical properties change.
Let's begin. Which of the following can change the shape of paper? And the correct answer is letter A, folding it. What happens when you heat chocolate? And the correct answer is letter B, it melts. Which of these tools is used to cut materials? And the correct answer is letter B, scissors.
What happens when you freeze water? And the correct answer is letter C. It turns to ice. What happens when you sand wood? And the correct answer is letter A. It becomes smoother. What is an example of a process that changes the shape of a material? And the correct answer is letter B, folding.
When you cut a piece of cloth, what physical property is changed? And the correct answer is letter B, its size. Which of the following can change the size of an object? And the correct answer is letter C, sanding it. What What does melting change in a solid? And the correct answer is letter B, its state.
When water turns into ice, what has changed? And the correct answer is letter B, its state. Which of the following is an example of a material being changed by cutting using a hacksaw? And the correct answer is letter A, a metal rod. Which process changes the physical properties of a material by adding heat? And the correct answer is letter B, melting.
William has a block of ice. He puts it in a warm room. What will happen? And the correct answer is letter B, the ice will turn into a liquid. Michael places a piece of wax in the sun. After a while, the wax becomes soft. What is happening? And the correct answer is letter C, the wax is melting. Sophia wants to change the shape of a clay ball. What can she do? And the correct answer is letter C, mold it.
What happens when you fold paper? And the correct answer is letter A. It changes shape. Daniel is heating a piece of butter in a pan. What happens to the butter as it gets hotter? And the correct answer is letter B, it melts. Olivia places a hot drink in a metal cup and leaves it outside on a cold day. What will happen to the drink? And the correct answer is letter A, it will freeze.
Ethan is using a ruler to measure a piece of paper. How does cutting the paper affect its length? And the correct answer is Letter C. It gets shorter. Isabella wants to make a sculpture from a block of ice. What would be the best way to change the phase of the ice? And the correct answer is letter C. Melt it. Jacob is folding a piece of paper to make a paper airplane. What is he changing? And the correct answer is letter A, the shape of the paper.
Ava heats a piece of chocolate in a microwave. What happens to the chocolate? And the correct answer is letter B, it melts into a liquid. Benjamin is sanding a rough wooden surface. What property is he changing? And the correct answer is letter B, its texture. Charlotte wants to see what happens to a piece of clay when she folds it. What should she do? And the correct answer is letter A, fold it and observe the change in shape.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.